Hello students, today I am going to start with a new topic, not with a new subject, that is the story of village Palampur. Till 8th class you have studied only 3 subjects, that is history, civics and geography. Now new subject economics is also added. Before starting with the subject, I will tell you what is about economy. Student, you are daily seeing the rise of price. You have heard about that price is rising, and the prices of petrols are rising, and of the high price, all these things. You know how it is done? It is done through when you study economics. Okay, economics is a science dealing with the wealth. It was this definition given long ago, but now the definition of economics has changed. It has been economics is a science deals with the wealth, scarce resources, and how to fulfill this scarce resources, and about the human mankind. Okay, so when you will grow up, all of you, if you are going to bank, if you are going dealing with the financial matters, then you will understand about the subject economics. Okay, you have in March month or in February month, you always hear about the budget of economics. Budget. So this budget is planned in economics also. Government allocates the money to different departments and to deal with that. Okay, this is done through economics only. Okay, now I am going to tell you about from 9th class you have started with this new chapter, the story of village Palampur. This story will tell you about the production activity, which is a very basic concept of economics, and through this journey you will learn to know about the economics, and students slowly you will fall in love with this economic subject, and in the future some of you will be a banker, some of you will become the economist, so that you can have you heard about the governor, this Urjit Patel and Raghuram Rajan? These are all economists. Our former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh was also an economist. So hope you will do good in economics and become somewhere, and one day plan the budget for our country India. Okay, now we will deal with this chapter. Okay, the purpose of this story is to produce some basic concept relating to production, and this we do through a story of hypothetical village called Palampur. Hypothetical means the village, it is imaginary village. It is not some village is lying Palampur. It is imagining village. Okay, so like any other village in India. So in this village, farming is the main activity, whereas several other activities such as small scale manufacturing is there, dairy, tailoring, grocery, etc. These you can find anywhere in the village. Like you can deal with this in Sargama, or you can take a Sakalo village, or you can take a Darima. Any village you can imagine instead of Palampur. Okay. The production activities need various type of resources, natural resources and man-made resources. Okay, natural resources, we have, like we can study natural resources about the agriculture, mining, etc. Then we have the man-made items with the effort of human efforts and money, etc. Okay. The story of Palampur, an imaginary village, will take us through the different types of production activities in the village. Thank you, class, and we will move to the next topic.